The first thing you need to ask yourself is, what are your goals? Do you want to speak Hebrew? Do you want to be able to write and read Hebrew? Once you form a plan, it will be easier for you not only to learn Hebrew, but efficiently use the materials on this channel or any material for that matter. Allow me to tell you a little more about how this works. The core of this channel is the playlist page. On the playlist page, you will find lessons by topic. For example, speaking Hebrew. You can also find basics like Nikud or vowels, the Hebrew alphabet, and more. You don't have to follow the playlist, but if you want to focus on a topic, that is the best way to achieve your goal. In addition to the playlist, on every lesson's description, you will find more links and relevant information like additional explanations, other lessons, and more. In the Community tab, you will find quizzes on many topics. I quiz subscribers to make sure they understand the key points of the language and to provide them with a daily dose of Hebrew. Be active. Share your knowledge and ask questions in the comment section. Others will benefit from your experience even if you are only a beginner. Learning is a journey. Don't rush it, but also don't hesitate to ask for directions and take a few wrong turns once in a while. So take a few moments to go over the playlist page and find new lessons. If you need help, ask me in the comments below. I wish you good luck and בהצלחה.